Hi everyone, I got a new Campbell's cookbook. It's the Campbell's collection. It has 3 cookbooks in one. I'll be making quick onion fries that came out of this cookbook. What all goes into the quick onion fries? 1 pouch Campbell's dry onion soup and recipe mix. Unfortunately, I couldn't find Campbell's, so I'm using a Lipton. 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, and 1 pack 22-ounce of frozen French fries. Mine is 26-ounce. So let's begin. Follow the baking instructions of the French fries. Preheat the oven to 425. Have a parchment-lined baking sheet. Set that aside. Take a large bowl, dump in your soup mix and your 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and mix that up. Dump in your frozen French fries. And I just realized these are seasoned, so they're going to have extra flavor. Then toss your French fries until fully coated. Take your baking sheet with the parchment paper and dump your fries on there and spread them out evenly. So put your quick onion fries in a preheated 425-degree oven. So take your quick onion fries and put them in a preheated 425-degree oven for 22 to 24 minutes or until done. So here are the quick onion fries, and you can air fry these as well. And rounding out the meal is air fried chicken strips. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What am I testing?
Quick onion fries.
Onion fries, okay.
And that's regular ketchup, sriracha ketchup, and sriracha mayonnaise. So whatever you want to try them with.
Well, I'm going to try one just like this. That's pretty good without anything. Try it with regular ketchup. Oh, it's got a lot of kick to it.
Too much kick?
More kick than I expected, but not. For most, if you like hot stuff, it's probably not. I don't do a lot of hot, but that's got a good flavor to it. I don't mind doing hot if there's some flavor. I really like the fries. Oh, this finger food, right?
Yes.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.